works for those manufacturers, and this building is for you. We work with our local employers to develop programs. Many of you sitting in the audience have helped us to develop curriculum, and we really appreciate your partnerships.
That means that you can fabricate a part down here, take it into a turning center, turn it,
9 a.m. to 9:30
and actually have that thing that we used to have to do where they would
Has there been-
fabricate a part, drive 6 miles, use that continuity. We don't have that here. We have a real focus. For our industry partners, we really thank you for your input on this, and we're going to return the thank you by offering incumbent worker training. So your folks can come in here after their day, spend a few hours, make your business better, embellish their work sets, and still be home in time to catch the last half of the game. Okay, and that's, so enjoy the